My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked at IRS for 10 long years, a decade, and I've been out in private practice for 4 decades. Actually, I'm a national expert in IRS matters. I have a big Facebook following of professionals, and I've been on all the major TV stations. Go look me up at 777irs.com. That's the best place to find me. You know, most people, when they get their IRS audit letter, we call them nasty grams at IRS. Most people are upset. Um, they start thinking all these things. Oh my God, am I going to jail? Is that going to lead me to jail? God, what's going to happen? I don't have my records. And all these things just start going through the minds of people. I got a call yesterday. The lady was actually beside herself. She couldn't wait to call me the next. She couldn't sleep. She was having literally panic attacks. She had to take medicine. She called me first thing in the morning. Well, I just want to tell you, you got to relax about the situation. It's not the end of the world. It seems like it because it is going to affect your financial life. But at the end of the day, when you get that IRS audit notice, you've got to make a decision. You're either going to do this yourself or hire someone. So I make these videos so it's kind of in the middle. So what you do is you first of all you've got to respond to the person that's doing your audit. Says, yeah, I got your letter. Yes, let's plan to meet or let me plan to call. At least you want to let that person know that you're attentive to that. That really puts you immediately in the good graces of that person to let them know that you really want to do the right thing. And then you gather your records. You probably aren't going to have all your records or you're not going to be listening to this video. I don't know anyone that has all their records but my mom. Maybe your mom was like that, but man, all their records to the C, the receipts, the staples, boom, everything in the right order. Well, I don't know anyone but my mom who's been like this. Can be your mom. But if you don't have all your records, IRS allows for reconstruction, and there's reconstructive methods available. As former IRS agents, we know how to reconstruct returns if you don't have all the records. So don't be scared for that reason. IRS is going to want to look at your bank statements all the time. They're going to look at your tax returns, and then what they do, when they send you that initial audit letter, it's a flashlight into the future, into your past. I'm sorry. They can go in and start doing anything they want. They can go back 3 years if they want, and if they find there's a lot of good cookies around to eat on your tax return, they're going to expand that audit for 3 years. So if you're worried, you got a knot in your stomach, that's the ultimate test whether you need to hire someone. So anyway, just get your records together, and if you don't have them yourself and you're going in by yourself, try to reconstruct records. Let me tell you what that means. So let's say you're a painter and you were a painting contractor, you didn't have your records, they got lost, they got wet, they flew out of the truck, whatever, you hear all the reasons. You can say, well, I did 10 jobs, here are the jobs I did, here's the income, obviously it's in my bank account. Go to your vendors and pick up some of the receipts from your vendors. If you did, say, 10 houses and you showed pictures of the houses, you needed this much paint because they were this many square foot, so you can back in your income and actually your travel log from going back and forth. So there are a lot of ways to reconstruct. So don't be all poopy-eyed if you don't have all your records. There's always ways to take care of that, fix those, and mend those. Call me if you need me. I have a bunch of former IRS agents on staff. We do what's right for you, and we do the best representation by job possible. Give me a subscription or a share, but don't freak out when you get an IRS audit notice. Thank you so much. I always appreciate your time and subscription.